Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Mastery's Life Skill Training on Zoom. It's Mr. Pizzillo from Mastery Martial Arts, and today we're going to be covering belief. Belief is having the yes, I can attitude. And today in this video, we're going to be covering belief in ourselves. We need to believe in ourselves before anyone else believes in us. And we need to believe in ourselves before we believe in anyone else. You see, boys and girls, if you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Something like this. Everyone say belief. Having the yes, I can attitude. You see, we cover 4 ways we show the yes, I can attitude. 4 ways. Everyone say this with Mr. Pizzillo. Say eye contact. Say clear voice. Say stand tall. And say smile. So, first is eye contact. Eye contact means if anyone should be ever talking to you, you should always look at them directly in the eyes. It shows what I have to say is important to you, and what you have to say is important to me. So I'm going to be looking to make sure everyone's looking Mr. Pizzillo in the eyes. Let's see. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Good eye contact. The next way we show the yes, I can attitude is having a clear voice. Now, I know we're all at home right now and we don't need to wear our masks. But when we're in public, in school or in public, we need to wear our masks to help us stop the spread of COVID. And especially with this mask, we always need to make sure that we have a clear, confident voice for everyone to hear me or hear you. So I need everyone to unmute yourself right now. And I'm going to count to 3. And I want everyone to say, yes, I can. Ready? Here we go. 1,
Yes, I can.
2, 3. Let's hear it.
Yes, I can.
Oh, okay. Wait. I'm still sitting down. We need to be stronger than that. Let's try it one more time. Yes, I can. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes, I
Oh, great job. The next way we show the yes, I can attitude, everyone say stand tall.
can. Stand tall.
Stand tall.
Stand tall, boys and girls. If Mr. Pizzillo walks around like this, do I look strong or do I look weak? But we need to make sure we always look strong, and being strong is a mindset. Who wants to be strong? Raise your hand. And we always want to walk with our shoulders back and our chin up. And the last way we show that yes, I can attitude, everyone say smile. Let me see everyone's teeth. Your pearly white teeth. Let's see. Oh, I see all big smiles. Excellent. So, as you see, I'm sharing my screen right now, and we're under the first level of belief. Belief in ourselves. Before we believe in anything, we must believe in ourselves. Belief in ourselves is having a firm conviction that we could do, everyone say, anything. Excellent. We're going to go right to level 1, belief in ourselves. Boys and girls, you guys can all have a seat like a black belt, and we're going to listen to Miss Cottages as she's going to read the first paragraph of belief in ourselves. Miss Cottages?
Yes, sir.
All right, go right ahead. Every human
Every human being is born with unlimited potential. In order to achieve success in life, we must choose to believe in ourselves. We are capable of learning all of the skills needed to do whatever we want in life.
Excellent. Everyone clap it up for Miss Cottages. Woo! All right, Aiden, you're going to read the next paragraph, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. In our lives, we must learn to use all the obstacles we encounter as tools to advance towards our goals. If we embrace challenge and accept and believe that challenge offers the opportunity of learning valuable lessons, we become invincible. Our obstacles defeat us not when we are unable to overcome them, but when we are unable to learn from not overcoming them. When we learn these lessons, we acquire knowledge, and therefore we grow. This way, we become prepared to face the present challenge with a new understanding, bettering our chances of success. At the same time, we become better equipped to overcome similar challenges in the future. This way, we always win.
Excellent job. Everyone clap it up for Aiden. Good job, Aiden. Good job, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Who would like to read the next paragraph? All right, sir, you're up. Unmute yourself. Most people
face the odds filled with doubts, insecurity, and not believing in themselves. To succeed, we must face our challenges with high enthusiasm and absolute conviction that we shall succeed. And if we perchance we do not succeed, we must never give up on ourselves. We must maintain our enthusiasm, learn what we can from that situation, and keep trying and learning until we make it.
Excellent. Everyone clap it up for him. Great job. Great reading, sir. Great reading. So in that paragraph, boys and girls, what that's saying is that sometimes when we try stuff, we may not succeed on the first try. But in the beginning of each class and at the end of each class, we have a little saying. The saying goes like this: winners never quit, and quitters never win. And we all choose at Mastery Martial Arts to be winners. So everyone stand up and let's repeat after me. Ready? Let's say that together. Here we go. Ready? Cover your nose. Say, winners never quit. Say, quitters never win. Say, I choose to be a winner. Yes, you do. Jump up and say, I'm a leader. Excellent. We have a few more paragraphs and then we're going to get into some exercises. Who would like to read the next paragraph? Wayne, go ahead, sir. Let's do it.
Through the history of humanity, we find that every person who shaped this world did so based on strong beliefs. Many of our great leaders have unbreakable beliefs. The first one always being, yes, I can. Look at the
Martin Luther King, Gandhi, Columbus,
the writer's brothers, or mother Teresa of the example. There were all 100% committed always. They were always humble to learn. Congratulations. Courageous to confront the odds and had the fixed determination to win no matter their obstacles and
circumstances.
What?
Circumstances.
Circumstances?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They
always continue to trust, be considerate, dream, and follow their vision. This is no matter what, they always continue to believe in themselves.
Excellent job, Wayne. Everyone clap it up for Wayne. Good job, buddy. Excellent job. And we have one more paragraph. One more paragraph. Who would like to read this last paragraph? Anthony, go ahead, buddy. Anthony, go ahead. Unmute yourself. Anthony? A true leader.
Yes.
Go ahead, you can read. A true leader.
Leader confronts obstacles believing he or she can conquer them. No matter what, if you choose to believe you can do it. If you're right. If you choose to believe you can't, however, you're also right. It is our responsibility as winners and leaders to believe in the yes I can, and to believe yes I can always.
Excellent job, Anthony. Everyone clap it up for Anthony. Great job. You see, boys and girls, we have two choices. We have two choices when we're presented with a challenge. We have two choices when we're presented with a goal in mind. We could believe that we can do it, or we could believe that we can't do it. And as Anthony just read, both statements are right because you're believing it. It's not if someone else is believing it, it's your own belief. So if you think you could become a black belt, you can become a black belt. But if you think you can't become a black belt, then it's going to be very difficult for you to become a black belt. Do we all understand? Excellent, excellent. I'm going to stop sharing this right now. And what we're going to go over is our pillars of belief. And we're going to repeat after Michelle. What we're going to all need to do, we're all going to need to stand up, and we're going to be stronger than Michelle. Are we all ready? And we'll say, yes, sir. All right, here we go. Michelle, take it away.
All right, everyone, repeat after me. Say trust, consistency, dream, vision, determination, courage, humility.
All right, let's do it one more time, but even be stronger. And then I'm going to ask someone else to be the leader. Woohoo! All right, go ahead, Mrs. Cottages.
Trust, consistency, dream, vision, determination,
Big muscles.
courage, humility.
Excellent job. Who thinks they're ready for a challenge? Jordan, you were the first one with your hand up. All right, Jordan, take it away. Everyone's going to repeat after Jordan.
Trust,
Trust,
consistency,
consistency,
dream,
dream,
vision,
vision,
determination,
determination,
courage,
courage,
humility.
humility. Great job, Jordan. All right, who else thinks they could do it? Chad, you're up. Let's all repeat after Chad.
Trust, consistency.
Oh, wait, Chad, give us 1 second. Pause in between so everyone else can do it, okay? All right, let's start over. Go ahead.
Trust,
Trust,
dream,
consistency,
determination, courage, humility.
All right, clap it up for Chad. Good job, Chad. Good job. All right, Anthony, let's do it. I love how all you guys are raising your hands. This is great. This is excellent. Go ahead, Anthony.
Trust,
Trust. Consistency.
consistency,
Good job.
dream,
Dream.
vision,
Vision. Big muscles. Determination.
determination,
Very good.
courage,
Courage.
humanity.
Very good, Anthony. Very good. Who else would like to do it? Who else? Okay. Oh, wait. Here we go. One moment. Here we go. Go ahead.
trust,
trust,
consistency,
consistency,
dream,
dream,
vision,
vision,
determination,
determination.
courage,
Yes, sir.
humility.
Excellent job. Excellent job. Did we all have fun today? Can we all give me a thumbs up if you had fun? If you really had fun, can you give me 2 thumbs up? Whoa! This was so much fun hanging with you guys on the Saturday morning. You guys have been doing a great job. Keep up all your hard work, and I can't wait to be with you next time I'm able to do the life skill training. Do we all understand? Excellent. Well, we're going to end strong today, so everyone stand like a black belt. Say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say, yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Everyone say, winners never quit.
Winners never quit.
Quitters never win.
Winners never win.
I choose
I choose
to be a winner.
to be a winner.
Jump up and say, I did it.
I did it.
Excellent job, everyone. Have a great time training next week in classes. Next week is our second black stripe testing. Make sure that you've been hitting all your milestones. I know a lot of us, we need 3 yellow stripes. We need to complete 3 milestones to be qualified to test for our new belt. So make sure you're hitting your milestones. Make sure you try your best and always have that yes, I can attitude. Have a great day. Go outside, enjoy the beautiful weather. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.